Hello guys, welcome back again. Here I want to read this article. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, share this video and also subscribe. But on the winter conflict, he told the Wall Street Journal there could be no satisfied with the retaliating lost line. So she believed that all the territories must be liberated first, and then we can negotiate about what to do and how we could live in the country, had said. There have been a major breakthrough on front line since Russian forces the last month. Ukrainian held cities in eastern Luhansk province in late June and early July. Kiev hopes that is gradually increasing supply of weather arms such as U.S. high-mobility artillery rocket system HIMARS will allow it to recapture lost territories. Russian Defense Ministry said on Friday its force had destroyed 4 HIMARS systems between July 5 until 20. U.S. officials said reports of any HIMARS being destroyed were not true. Kiev called Russian command fake meant to sabotage support from Ukraine, which could not verify battlefield reports. The February 24 invasion of Ukraine has caused Europe's biggest conflict since 1945, forcing millions to flee and turning entire cities to rubble. The Kremlin said it engaged in a special military operation to demilitarize and denazify Ukraine, while Kiev and Western nations say the war is a provocative act of aggression. Russian military is sustaining hundreds of casualties a day and more than 100 hit fellow Russian targets in Ukraine. But on the winter conflict, he told the Wall Street Journal there could be no satisfied with the retaliating lost line. So she believed that all the territories must be liberated first, and then we can negotiate about what to do and how we could live in the country, had said. There have been a major breakthrough on front line since Russian forces the last month. Ukrainian held cities in eastern Luhansk province in late June and early July. Kiev hopes that is gradually increasing supply of weather arms such as U.S. high-mobility artillery rocket system HIMARS will allow it to recapture lost territories. Russian Defense Ministry said on Friday its force had destroyed 4 HIMARS systems between July 5 until 20. U.S. officials said reports of any HIMARS being destroyed were not true. Kiev called Russian command fake meant to sabotage support from Ukraine, which could not verify battlefield reports. The February 24 invasion of Ukraine has caused Europe's biggest conflict since 1945, forcing millions to flee and turning entire cities to rubble. The Kremlin said it engaged in a special military operation to demilitarize and denazify Ukraine, while Kiev and Western nations say the war is a provocative act of aggression. Russian military is sustaining hundreds of casualties a day and more than 100 big fellow Russian target in Ukraine. That's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share this video and also subscribe.